Alrighty, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, so there it is. I ran a 13.8. That's the fastest this truck has ran. Alright, this truck is only as fast as the density altitude is going to allow it to run. Alright, so it ran 13.8, only a 13.8, right? Only at 4,000 feet above sea level. I'm thinking it's probably around a 13.99 to 13.2 as it sits at sea level. Not 13.99, but I mean 12.99 to 13.2 at sea level. All right, so yes, I believe it potentially can run 12s at sea level as it sits, but it would be a high 12. All right, and it would be a really good run. All right, so I don't have the cam in it yet. I'm about to get the cam in there, all right, here shortly. And when that goes in, that should throw a few tenths on there, and it would be definitely 12s at sea level. All right, still up in the higher 12s, you know, but I'm not expecting too much out of this big old truck. All right, it's lifted. It's a 6-speed. It's a crew cab. All right, it's a Gigantor. Okay, I got like rock slider steps on the side of it. I keep on there when I drag race. All right, so I do remove the tailgate seats, but I still got 100 pounds of steps, motors, all kind of stuff that's underneath the truck that operate the steps. All right, so they're not just steps. They have the rock guard, right? So it's a little heavy. All right, you see right here, step goes underneath of that. But anyway, so yeah, only a 13.8, but I'm happy with that. Yeah, so I'm acting like, you know what, if you haven't been watching my videos lately, then you might not know that I've been playing the gap game, and I've been the gapper. All right, so you can't say slow. These guys, or you can't say that's it. You can't say 13.8, that's it. You know, that's kind of ridiculous. And here's another thing, too. Every time somebody just asks me for my ET, they're like, what's your ET? I'm not going to respond. You need to ask me what the DA is, and then my ET. I'll think you're intelligent, and then I will give you the numbers, all right? But if you just ask my ET, what does that mean? Unless we run side by side or on the same exact track, just asking me for my ET is senseless. It's pointless. And for you guys that don't know, you do not run the same time at every track because the density altitude is different. You will be totally surprised what you would run at 7,000 feet versus sea level. It's crazy. It's an astronomical difference. All right, and a lot of people don't realize that, or they do realize that, and they just like to teabag people. Well, you know, if you want to teabag me, come right out here to the Las Vegas Motor Speedway and give it your best shot. All right, give it your best shot. You know what I mean? It's usually the guys that talk smack. They just have a stock truck. That's it. Or they have a stock truck with a tune. Or they have a stock truck, you know, basically. Or they have a truck, not stock, but let's say it has tunes, a couple bolt-ons, whatever. All right. Or they have a single cab truck and they're trying to compare to my time. And it just gets crazy, guys. Apples to apples, oranges to oranges. Quit getting weird with it. All right. Yeah. Only a 13.8. And a 4x4 crew cab 6-speed. 4,000 feet above sea level. And I'm the one playing the gap game. More than one video, more than one vehicle, more than one 8-speed. All right. Hot damn. What do you got to do around here? All right. To get people to like calm down a bit, you know? It's weird, guys. Education is huge, you know? It's huge. And people, you know, people wonder why some people don't want to talk to them anymore. Because you don't come across with this sense that you have knowledge of what you're talking about. All right. When you just say ET or dino, you know, dinos are corrected, right? ETs are corrected. They're corrected. They're corrected to sea level times. What the fuck? Alrighty, fellas and fellettes. Not calling nobody out. I know who's fast. Alright, and I know who's not fast. I'm not trying to call people out. Alright, so dudes that are gonna go make a comment, oh, Smokey, I probably already know. Alright, and then there's some of you, I already know. No, you won't. Alright, so let's not play that game. I'm not dumb, naive, or think that I rule the world or I got the fastest truck in the world. No, I think I got a truck that's fast that had a lot of hard work put into it. That's what I think I got. All right, and that's the truth matter of the fact. All right, the helmet, have to wear it, 13.99 or quicker. If I don't wear it, they kick me off the track, right? It's an NHRA rule. Fire jacket. I hope that's not a scratch on my dash, dude. Holy no. Maybe. I have to buff it out. But anyway, 13.99 quicker, helmet, nitrous. I have to wear the fire jacket, all right? So, hot damn hell yeah. Yeah, only a 13.8.